Follow along as we take a venture into the cell. We're going to use the grocery store as a model for the cell. The outside walls are like the cell membrane. Here I can't pass through the cell membrane because I'm a polar molecule. Again, I can't pass through the cell membrane. I have to pass through a protein. Imagine the protein as the doors to the grocery store. Notice there's two doors because it's a bilayer, a phospholipid bilayer with polar heads and non-polar tails. Now that we're in the cell, let's look at some of the organelles. First, we're going to go ahead and look at the chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are in plant cells. They photosynthesize, turning sun energy into sugar. Sugar! That sugar then goes to the mitochondria and is broken down into usable cell energy. Imagine it like eating candy. You put that sugar in your body, your mitochondria break it down, and you get usable energy. You get excited, and you're able to move quickly. While that's waiting to be broken down, it's stored in a food vacuole. Water is stored in a water vacuole. Also in the cell, you'll find ribosomes. Ribosomes are responsible for making proteins. Protein is in a lot of meat or muscle. So I thought butcher, meat, protein, ribosome. Meat is always packaged and labeled. The endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi body package, label, and ship proteins in the cell. The cell also has to clean itself. Get rid of waste. Lysosomes do that.
Man, this cell is dirty. We need to get the waste digested and cleaned up. Lysol and the lysosomes, that's gonna do the job.
One of the most important parts of the cell is the nucleus, containing the genetic information. It protects the genetic information from the cell environment so that it cannot be damaged. We'll use the receipt as a model for our DNA, containing all the information of things that I bought on my grocery trip, on my trip inside of the cell.
It's kind of interesting.